Good morning, guys. It is 7:11 and it is another day, another morning. We are trying to find some good Hot Wheels. We are going Hot Wheel hunting. So let's see what kind of gems we find and come along with us. We are very, very tired, but come along with us on this daily vlog and see how the day goes. Alright guys, it's 8:09 and this is what we picked up. The rush is technically over though. Yeah. It only took 9 minutes really for everything to die down. But here's what we picked up. There's a bunch of other collectors here, so we'll see how our next stop goes. Alright guys, we're at our second Target. They won't restock main lanes here, huh?
No, main lanes is the next store we're going to.
So hopefully we find the Chase, but let's see what mountain drifters we could find.
Well, we were told this is somebody else's like territory. Obviously you can still come and look, but he has like a hookup in the back, but I don't know, maybe they're saving it for him, but he's out of town, so hopefully we have luck.
Yeah, but we'll tune back in once and if we get anything. I'm recording.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we stopped and got some Starbies. The last Target was a fail. There was nothing. They had told us they wouldn't restock till a certain date, but they lied because I seen some main lines there. But we're at our last stop. Hopefully we find something. But this Target always restocks late, so we'll see. We'll check back in once we have something or once we go home empty-handed. We could not find any Hot Wheels yet, so we're gonna wait. But while we wait, we're gonna go ahead and battle each other. So let's see who takes it. Will it be Cassandra or Glendale Veggies? Alright, so now we're gonna shoot our, what is this, Obsidian? Our Obsidian tea. Yeah. I know everybody's been asking for us to bring this back, but this is the improved version. It's like front design, 387 on the corner, and then the back, the improved version, much bigger. I like this better in Old English.
Yeah.
So
You like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is behind the scenes of our shoot for shirts. Hoodies look a little different when we shoot, but for the most part,
Alright. The back now.
this is what it looks like when we shoot.
One hour later.
I want to buy the Drift Mountain set, but can't find it anywhere on the website. It should be on our Hot Wheels section. I had 7 S15A. Did you sell them or did you keep them? Or did you customize them?
One eternity later.
It's a couple days, many couple days after our day in the life, but I kind of want to just close out the video. GTR just got a nice little detailing done. It was filthy, but shout out to Venomous Detailing getting the car right. But yeah, let us know if you guys like these type of videos so we can film some more. But other than that, we'll catch you guys in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.